That is quite a view, and this is quite a car. They were just so futuristic. I mean, this car is 23 years old, and it looks like it was designed yesterday. I have never seen a man suit a car more than that.
Nobody ever wanted a 5-door Golf GTI.
It's quiet and dignified and elegant.
Hello and welcome to the Modversation, Modification Conversation. In today's episode, episode 7, I'm going to show you how I solve the problem of when a car's plastic trim on the front bumper and back bumper, when those pieces of plastic get old and dingy and it loses the graphene. So when I purchased the car, I noticed that she had this problem, as you can see here, and I watched a few YouTube videos and came up with this brand, Lithium. And in this kit, little trim cubes, and I'm not going to take it out because it stinks. It smells like a foundry. And there's still one left. I'm going to use it on something. But first, you wash the car thoroughly, and I will show you my complete system of being able to wash my car on the street with no access to a garage or a driveway. So stay tuned for that episode. I think that'll be the next episode. Wash the car, and then it comes with this pre-treatment, and they even give you a little sprayer. Isn't that nice? And so I washed the car, dried it, sprayed this on there, rubbed it in with a nice, fresh, clean microfiber cloth. I washed the car, dried it, and make sure you wear these. The kit comes with a nice black pair, but I have plenty of these on hand. So I used one of these for the back and one of these for the front, and I did this again the following weekend with another brick for the back and another brick for the front, and it gave it a nice velvety, almost, I mean, it looks like the plastic is brand new, especially after a wash. It just really stands out, and it takes it from having like it had this weird two-tone look where it was black. I could wash the car nice, but I could never get the bumpers to kind of blend in with the black. So this really solved that problem for me. So here is me applying one of these after I've washed it, let it dry, and then sprayed it with this, and then let it dry. I washed the car, dried it, and then go to town with it on this. So I hope you enjoy. And I'll just say in advance, I won't make you wait till the end. This has been lasting. I washed it every other weekend for 2 years now. It's been almost 2 years that I've done this, and it's lasted. So I recommend it. And here's how easy it is to do. Check it out. It does work. If you do those steps, I think it'll last you. I mean, it says 250 washes, but the way I see it, for $39 on Amazon, when my in like 1999, 2000s, when I was really into, I had a Mark. My brother gave me a Mark II 4-door red basic model Golf. And whatever modifications I wanted to do back then, I couldn't do because if you thought of it, it was 6 to 8 weeks for delivery. And it was, from Sweden or from wherever. Back then, it was so hard to think of a modification and actually see it come to fruition. So this, for me, is a win, and a win for the younger me who was frustrated with this kind of a thing. So next time, episode 8 on the modernization, I'm going to show you my step-by-step mobile detail car wash system when you don't have access to a driveway or garage. And you have to rely on street smarts to A, supply the water, and B, do it in a way that you don't need that much. So until then, thanks for watching. I recommend. I'm not sponsored in any way by anybody. I would love it if you subscribed, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.